Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel. And today I am opening a long-awaited box. Where Darren and I live, these Zuru babies are hard to get your hands on. They're selling out so fast. Our Walmart hardly ever has them in. Yep, nope, two. Darren ordered two on Amazon. And Series 2, My Mini Baby. Let's open one. This one is heavier than this one. And I can't wait to see, so we'll open the heavy one first. All right, it might take me a second. I don't want to tear up my nails anymore. It says the farm girl that barely has nails anymore. At my age, they just don't grow back or as strong as they used to. And I use them for everything, especially with my birds. I have quite a few kinds of birds and rabbits, and they require using your fingernail for this and that. Let's see if I can actually get the zipper to work. Can I get the zipper to work? No. Okay, we should be there. I do not throw these balls away. For one thing, I keep their accessories in them. Let's see what I got. Uh-oh. Nope, I did not get the twins. I thought maybe because it was heavier. Oh, what baby did I get there? I want that blue-eyed blonde. I married a blue-eyed blonde. All right, we got another one of the cribs. So I'll set that aside. And this should be the parts for it. Ooh, I got to be careful too because there's so many little parts. Okay, I got a girl. Oh, make sure all the parts are out. Look at the bunny. Isn't that cute? I got a girl and I know, well, that's perfect. It's a rabbit. That's perfect. I have and breed rabbits. How cute. Oh, and a little bunny hat. Well, let's open the doll. Oh, be the blue-eyed blonde, be the blue-eyed blonde. Woo, it's a redhead. That's even better. Oh, how cute. Oh, how adorable. Let me get her dressed and put this together. Oh my goodness. Is that cute or what? I am smitten by these little silicone dolls. These little Zurus really got me started. And I am loving it. Isn't this pretty, this little crib cover? Oh, and you can cover it all the way around if you like took them outside and they wouldn't get mosquitoes or anything. If you haven't seen Dory's Dolly's Zuru opening of her crib with the cover, you should go watch it. She shows at the end that her own children had a baby bed like that. It is so cool. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Tell me, have you fallen in love with these tiny Zuru silicone babies? Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.
Well, you sure have fallen down rabbit hole.
I have. And it's fun. Oh. The rabbit hole. I got you. P.S. These are the ones that I have. I only have 4. And then I have one from the first, well, I have, 1 or 2 from the first series. I think I have 2. So I still need quite a bit. And I'm very hopeful.
It's a big rabbit hole.
Come back and see.